Hi everyone, this is Nata. I have a box of the SP Legendary Cuts here. I'll be looking for a cut auto, but at this point I just think we'll have enough to keep my fire upstairs going. It's,
That was great.
Alright. Let's see what kind of firewood's in here. Again, 4 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Here's your first pack right here. Let's see what we got. We got base. Base. Got a decoy card right there, decoy.
Love that card.
Alright, some base, some glorified bases here, not even gonna mention it. Looking for a cut auto in here. Maybe this is the pack. No, it's not the pack. Just some base. Chester Arthur, number to 550. Glorified base. You give me one of those warm sodas?
Yeah, Nata. Nata's packs.
Alright, we have our first patch. Let's see what we got. There's some base there. Some more base. More base. Haha. A Mike Schmidt patch.
Wow.
You don't see too many of those out there.
You gotta be kidding me.
A one color Mike Schmidt patch.
Ooh.
They're numbered to 199, folks. We might have them all.
Oh my god.
He is a Hall of Famer.
Yeah. I guess.
Alright, I think we have another hit in this pack right here.
Possible decoy.
Could be a decoy. Let's get the base out of the way first. Some base. There's your cut auto. Hoyt Wilhelm. Cut auto right there.
Ah, that's a nice card.
It's a very nice card. This is what we were looking for. Beautiful. Beautiful cut auto.
Why don't you put it over here so we could,
Number 11 to 55. Take a look at that. Admire that. 2 per case.
Wilhelm.
There's one of them.
Wasn't that Costanza's boss play now?
Not sure. I'm just going to finish this up here. It's probably old base, but for completeness sake, I'll give you everything here. Base. Then pack here, I'm thinking base. Thinking base.
Could be an auto.
Could be an auto, but it could be base. It's base.
Base.
Alright, well we got one of our big hits. The Hoyt Wilhelm cut auto. The very rare Mike Schmidt patch.
I know we've seen that before.
Alright, and that's all we got for you. Cut on.